Good morning everyone. In today's class we are going to solve the sum using another two algebraic identities, whereas the first formula is a plus b the whole cube and the second one is a minus b the whole cube. The first one is a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And the second one is a minus b the whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, now they have given expand 2a plus 5 the whole cube. Now you have to check the given question is in which form. A plus b the whole cube or a minus b the whole cube? Yes, the given question looks like a plus b the whole cube formula. So, you have to compare 2a plus 5 the whole cube with a plus b the whole cube. Okay. Now, I am going to write comparing 2a plus 5 the whole cube with a plus b the whole cube. Now I am going to highlight the a plus b whole cube formula in blue color. Okay. So a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay. Now we have to write what is a. So a is equal to what? The given 2a, and b is equal to what? In the place of b we have 5. So now we are going to use this in the formula. Okay, is equal to a cube means 2a whole cube plus 3 into a square means 2a whole square into b means 5. In the place of b we have 5, then plus 3 into a what? 2a into 2a into b square is 5 square plus b cube means 5 whole cube. Right, the next step, 2a whole cube means 2 into 2 into 2 into a cube means a into a into a. I am writing in full form for your clear explanation. Plus 3 into 2a whole square means 2a into 2a into 5 plus 3 2s are 6. So 6a into 5 square means 5 into 5 25 plus 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5. 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, 8, a into a square into a cube plus 3 into 2a into 2a 4a square into 5 plus 6a into 25, how much? 150a, right? 150a plus 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, 125 is equal to 8a cube plus 4 3s are 12. 12 into 5, 60. So 60a square plus 150a plus 125. And I think we can conclude here because we cannot add, because there is a cube and here a square. So this is not same variable, and here we have constant. So a cube, a square, a we have. So we cannot add. So we can leave as such. So this is the answer for expand 2a plus 5 the whole cube by using the formula a plus b the whole cube. Okay.